I am inevitable. I'm clearly not Thanos, and this gadget on my hand obviously isn't an infinity gauntlet, but there is some truth to the Avengers quote that applies to the Tap Strap 2 wireless mouse and keyboard. Yes, this web on my hand is actually a set of adjustable haptic rings that, when paired with a Bluetooth device like an iPad, work as a wireless keyboard and mouse. Rather than clicking keys on your keyboard, you tap one or more specific fingers on a hard surface while wearing the Tap Strap 2 to type. For example, to spell hi, I'd tap all my fingers but my thumb, then my middle finger alone. To use the mouse, you place the flat lip of the thumb ring on a surface and shape your hand as though you're holding an invisible mouse. So, does it mean that I can get rid of this clunky thing? Not quite yet, and for a couple reasons. First, you basically have to commit to learning a new language. The Tap Academy app makes the process pretty fun, but it's still a sizable commitment. Another setback is the feature that upgrades it from the first Tap Strap model. It's support for air gestures. When you have Assistive Touch enabled on your iOS device and a Tap Strap 2 connected, you should be able to use the rings to replicate actions as though you're actually touching the screen. I personally struggle to navigate the gestures properly with my iPad, though I'm sure they would be highly useful if easier to execute. Then, of course, there's the price tag. I'm not sure anyone who types every day would choose the $200 Tap Strap over a $200 decked out SteelSeries keyboard. Still, right now there's nothing like the Tap Strap 2 in the market, except of course the original Tap Strap. It's a pioneer in the wearable keyboard space, and because of that, it makes a pretty neat party trick or conversation starter for the time being. The Tap Strap is not a practical QWERTY keyboard replacement for those who type, although it's pretty high-tech for one-handed typing. I think it has a lot of potential. In the future, a wearable keyboard actually makes a lot of sense for AR and VR technologies that don't have a traditional touch display or visible keyboard. So yes, the Tap Strap might be inevitable. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. In the meantime, check out Tom's Guide for a full review of the Tap Strap 2 wearable mouse and keyboard. This has been Kate Kosich for Tom's Guide. Thanks for watching.